The TruShield Proving Ground Series heavy-duty bed mat is perfect for the Silverado or Sierra owner who wants to add some additional protection to their bed space without spending a lot of money. Featuring high-quality, durable material and a low price, this is a great solution that won't break the bank or make any permanent modifications to your truck. One quick note on fitment here before we dive in. This is designed to fit all 2019 and newer Silverado and Sierra 1500s with either the 5-foot 10-inch short bed or the 6.5-foot bed. If you're using your truck for hauling, well, really anything, then protecting the paint and finish of the metal underneath is very important, especially if you plan on keeping your truck around for a while. Enter the heavy-duty all-weather bed mat. As the name would indicate, this is pretty thick and will offer plenty of protection for the entirety of your bed floor. That's made possible by the contoured rubber for a perfect fit that goes around the wheel well, so you get plenty of coverage and access to everything you need. But it's more than thick enough to protect against scrapes, scratches, or even punctures. So if you throw a shovel or a spade or something, or a pair of clippers in the back of the bed, this is going to protect the finish and not have it mess up the metal on the bottom of the bed itself. Now, this material is also resistant to chemical spills, so you can rest easy knowing that if your gas can falls over, it's not going to damage the material or, again, the actual finish of the bed. And the raised sections here help capture dirt and make for easy cleaning with the textured finish that also functions as a non-skid surface, so there's less of a chance of things sliding around in the bed too. Really, this makes a perfect companion to something like a tonneau cover or a bed topper because it's going to give you all that protection and it's going to stay out of the weather and keep things nice and safe back there. Heavy-duty, high-density rubber is the highlight of the construction, and again, this is very abrasion and damage resistant as well as chemical resistant. That textured surface means that it is truly a non-skid mat as well, and it's pretty much indestructible. That rubber makes cleaning a breeze, and there's little grips on the back here too, so this thing isn't going to slide around. Really, there are no downsides to this one. Pricing will vary a bit depending on the size of your bed, so expect to pay between $80 and $100. That makes this the most affordable way to get a bed mat or any bed space protection for that matter. It's a great value for your money, and if you want a lot of protection and you don't want to have to go all the way to a drop-in bed liner or a spray-in bed liner, this is the way to do it, and it's not going to cost you too much. And even if you do somehow manage to damage it, just pick up another one and it's still going to cost you less than a spray-in. Installation gets an easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and it's about as easy as it gets. This should really only take you about 5 minutes to get it installed. Most of that time is going to be spent getting it out of the box. This is a total drop-in install, no need to drill, clamp, or anything, and you really don't even need any tools other than something to open that box. However, we're going to show you exactly how this fits right now, so for that, let's head on out to the shop.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing a bed mat in our Sierra, so let's get started. So I've got our bed mat lifted up into the bed. There's really not much to this. It follows all the cutouts of the bed, so we just got to lay this into place. Get it underneath all your hooks, get it lined up, and then you're good to go. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the TruShield Proving Ground Series heavy-duty rubber all-weather bed mat for your 2019 and newer Sierra 1500 with 5.8 foot short and 6.5 foot standard box. Thank you for watching, and for all things Sierra, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.